Hey guys, welcome in to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. We are doing a small batch again today because we love the small batches because it's just the two of us. Banana bars, small batch banana bars. We have a bunch of bananas. Still got some extra back here, so we may try and think of something else to make. But this is going to be made in a loaf pan. So let's get started. I'm glad you guys are all here. So first off, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of sour cream. You can use milk if you want. If you don't have sour cream, use milk. We're good with that. And we have 4 tablespoons of just melted butter. And probably if you didn't want to melt it, you don't have to melt it. Just use room temperature. Get my recipe up here. We are putting in like a half a teaspoon of vanilla or whatever you want, because whatever your heart desires right there. That looks good to us, or to me anyway. And then we're going to put in the bananas. We got a half a cup of smashed bananas going in. Yum. Those were just perfect for this. And we're going to put in 1 egg. Let's get that all ready to go here. There we go. Guys, if you have never had an egg holder, they are the greatest thing ever. I love it. So we're going to mix that up a little bit, if we can keep it in the bowl, because, you know, that's how we do. Just a little bit. All right. You know I didn't get any nuts, and I know you'll probably want nuts in it, won't you?
If you want.
All right. So now we're going to put in flour. I have 3/4 cup of flour. Woo! Going in. And I have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in here. Put those all in. And just 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now you can use white sugar if you want. You can mix it. You can use 2 tablespoons of whatever and 1 of the other. So very versatile this is. So let's mix that all up. And that's it, guys. We're going to do a little icing for the top. Like I say, if you want nuts in it, you can put some nuts in it. So pause that. Let's see what kind of nuts we have. I forgot to look. All right, guys. I got some pecans because I didn't have any walnuts in here. They're out in the freezer. I didn't want to go all the way out there, so I had pecans. So I just put some of those in. I'm spraying my loaf pan. Whoops, and Billy, I think. So you can use a loaf pan or whatever you want. You can put parchment paper in there. I'm just spraying it and pouring this in. Smells yummy. All that banana stuff.
No vanilla?
I already put vanilla. Yep. No. You just didn't see me, evidently. Yep.
My mind's somewhere else.
Guys, I'll tell you what's going on. Billy's quiet because my stepson, Billy's son, passed away on the 19th. So we're kind of, but we're making you a video. So 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees, and we'll be back. All right, I'm getting ready to make a glaze is all we're doing. You can make whatever you want. Cream cheese icing goes great on banana stuff. But I'm just using, like, I got a tablespoon of butter in here. I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla. And some powdered sugar. And you know, like I always say, it's just like mixing, like he says gravy, I say concrete, but gravy's probably better. Pour a little bit of that until you get the consistency that you want. And you can make it without the butter if you want, but butter makes everything better. Some more of that. I'm going to need a lot more of that. It's not getting very creamy. Ooh. All right, here we go. We're getting there. I want a little bit thicker than that, though. I don't want a glaze, like dripping glaze. I want like an icing, so it'll stay in one place. There we go. That's nice and smooth. And we don't need much because there's not much in that pan. So that's going to be perfect. So now we wait till that comes out. And I still have a little bit of pecans that I didn't put in there. And I'll sprinkle those on top. So we'll be back. All right. We decided to put a little bit of cream cheese in it. I had a block open. So this is what I have. Just a sliver of it. Not much. We're going to put that down in there and mix that up. Because, you know, we got it. We're going to use it. I say use what you got. Instead of it going bad, we're putting it in there. There we go. Now, let's see what it tastes like. Don't do this at home. That's delicious. All right. Now we're waiting on our banana bars to come out. Small batch, guys. Alexa, how many more minutes on my timer?
You have 30 seconds left.
Look at that. So we'll be right back when I take them out. All right, it was in the oven for 21 minutes. So the 12 to 15 minutes, not on my watch, it didn't. So at least 20 minutes, guys. And like I said, I used a bigger pan, but it's supposed to be bars. So if you want it to be thicker, use a smaller one. And I made the icing here. Let's put this on here.
That looks yummy.
And since this is like a cream cheese icing, that is yummy. And then we're going to put some pecans on top because I smashed more up and I just have this little bit. We're going to just slip them right on there. Now, I get the honors of tasting it. Here's what we look like.
Mm.
I'm just going to take the little end piece right here. And I think it needs a little bit more icing though because I missed a spot. All right, here we go. So soft. Guys. So good. And for a small batch, it is easy. Doesn't take that much. I used about 3/4 of a banana to make a half a cup. So, give it a try. It's delicious. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.